This tutorial is for a quilled leaf using the beehive technique invented by Suzanne. To start with, I've taken an A4 length dark green strip, and around my ruler, you can use anything you want. I prefer the ruler, it's just so handy, and has an inch width. Just glue the first loop and just make an open ring coil. Like this. Glue the end. There. Release it, and I tend to flatten it a bit. There. We have the outline of the leaf ready. Now I've taken a light green A4 length strip again, a little away from the edge. Start rolling and leave it there. Then just about 1.5 centimeters away, do it again, flatten it, leave it. Do it again, flatten it, leave it. Just make sure that you don't touch these ends by mistake, as they may loosen up a bit too much and become difficult to handle. There we go. It is done. Now, it can be quite tricky to get a hang of how much paper you need to fill in that much space. Usually what I do is roll it over itself to make it easy to push into a shape. It behaves like one entity here. And then I slowly start inserting into the open coil. Be sure not to squish too much. There, it fits. You can always adjust it using the needle tool or even your slotted tool. There, just move the coils around a bit so that they fit properly, and press it a bit to move them all into place. Your leaf is ready, and I've made 14 of these. Just glue lightly over the inner coils as well, and then using a black cardstock I cut a circle and then pasted them around in a ring. And here your Christmas wreath is ready. Enjoy!